Some sofas try too hard. They arrive oversized, overpriced, and full of promises they can't keep. Others come quietly in a surprisingly small box and do exactly what they're supposed to do. The DOPEDIO Modern Loveseat sofa belongs firmly in the second category. At first glance, the design feels intentional. Clean lines, wide rectangular armrests, and a modern silhouette that looks far more expensive than it is. This is not a couch that begs for attention, but one that earns it. The proportions are especially smart. At just over 71 inches wide, it fits naturally into small living rooms, bedrooms, offices, ADUs, and rentals where space matters. It reads like a love seat, but stretches just enough to allow an afternoon nap without feet dangling off the edge. The chenille fabric does a lot of the heavy lifting here. It's breathable, soft without feeling flimsy, and visually warm. The beige and cream tones lean neutral in the best way. Easy to dress up with colorful pillows or keep minimal for a calm, modern look. Light reflects gently off the texture, giving the sofa a quiet luxury feel without the luxury price. It's the kind of fabric that makes a room feel finished. Underneath the softness is where the real surprise lives. The frame combines steel and wood, with no plastic shortcuts. This gives the sofa a sturdiness that's immediately noticeable once seated. It holds its shape, supports weight confidently, and doesn't creak or wobble. With a weight capacity of up to 750 pounds, it comfortably handles 2 to 3 adults without feeling crowded or strained. Springs in the base add a subtle bounce that keeps the seat lively without turning it into a trampoline. Comfort lands squarely in the medium firm range. This isn't a sink-in, disappear into the cushions sofa. It's supportive, structured, and surprisingly nap-friendly. Seat cushions fluff up quickly after unpacking, while the back cushions take a bit more time but remain comfortable even early on. For those who prefer firm mattresses or structured seating, this balance feels just right. Long lounging sessions don't result in that awkward can't-get-up feeling. One of the most practical features is also one of the most overlooked in furniture: removable, washable covers. Backrests and cushions unzip easily, making cleaning straightforward and stress-free. For rentals, homes with pets, or simply real life, this matters. It keeps the sofa looking fresh and extends its usable life without extra effort. Assembly is refreshingly simple. No tools, no screws, no headaches. Pieces slide and lock together with just enough resistance to feel secure. Even solo assembly is manageable, typically taking 20 to 45 minutes depending on pace. The sofa can also be disassembled just as easily, which makes moving far less dramatic than it usually is. The fact that the entire couch arrives in a single box still feels like a small magic trick. There are a few honest trade-offs. The chenille fabric can pill over time, especially with heavy use, though a basic fabric shaver keeps it looking clean. Homes with cats may want to take precautions, as the texture is appealing to curious claws. There may also be a mild new furniture smell at first, but it fades quickly. What stands out most is value. This sofa doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It doesn't chase trends or inflate its price with unnecessary extras. Instead, it delivers solid materials, thoughtful design, real comfort, and visual appeal at a budget-friendly price. It looks good from every angle, even when not placed against a wall, and it adapts easily to different spaces and lifestyles. The DOPEDIO Modern Loveseat sofa is proof that good furniture doesn't need drama. It just needs to work and look good doing it.